Hmm?
Want me to fix it for you?
Dad, take the whole thing out of here.
No, push it down.
I got the whole thing out of here.
No, you gotta push it in the cup.
Watch this.